Hey guys, it's Jeremy from the tech team here at FLYMOTION. Today we're going to be going over the Vigil RS1000 tether system. It's going to be configured for the Matrice 200 series. As you can see, there's a number of moving parts here, but I promise it's not terribly complicated. In a moment, I'm going to break everything down, show you all the pieces, show you how easy it is to get connected from the tether to the drone. Okay, now that we have the system broken down, let's go over its main components. First off, we have the Vigil RS1000. This is the device that's actually going to give the power to the bird for that indefinite flight. It simply works off of a 110 outlet. Next off, we have the Vigil battery replacement module. This is two 3D printed housings that are going to go between the TB55 and the aircraft itself. Next, you have a TB55. Now this battery has been modified. You have to modify a battery to fit inside the aircraft with the battery replacement module. Do not worry though, FLYMOTION will do this for you. And lastly, we have the tension relief device. This ensures that any tension placed on the tether goes onto the aircraft and not the battery. With the starboard side battery already installed, we're going to go over how to install the battery replacement module on the port side battery and into the aircraft. First thing you need to do is grab the battery replacement module 2 XT60 connectors and connect them. Next, take your port side modified battery and install the teeth right into the port. And then into the aircraft. Since we modified this battery, it's going to be like normal and you're going to hear that click. And there you have it, batteries are installed. Now after we've installed the batteries in the battery replacement module, the last step is to connect the tether to the battery replacement module. Pretty simple, you have a twist lock here. All we're going to do is push them in, twist, and you're locked. Now with all the components installed onto the aircraft, we're going to go ahead and test the Vigil here in the office to make sure everything's working properly. First, we're going to start off with the controller on and DJI Pilot pulled up. My aircraft is powered off. My Vigil is plugged in, however it is powered down. Okay, so now we're going to power on the Vigil. So while this is powering up, you're going to see the bird go through its pre-flight checklist, and then here on the pilot screen, it's going to come up. I'm going to be able to see my camera and that I'm running a Matrice 210 V2. I'm going to enter the manual flight mode to make sure that all my settings are correct. So here in Pilot, I'm going to go ahead and check the voltages of my batteries just to make sure they're consistent. Click the battery menu. I can see across the cells and the voltages that they're very consistent. It looks very safe to me. Now normally you would have a flight time here. Now this isn't going to change because we're in the office, but once we go outside and actually do take flight, the tether will be providing power and you're going to see that flight time rise up into 40, 50, 60 minutes and it won't actually go down at all. Now let's go fly.
Arming. Launching.